My sweet summer children, welcome back to my channel. I smell so good today. I'm wearing a new perfume. We'll talk about it in just a second. But this year's heat is wild. I can't believe it's only April. So keeping that in mind, I've curated some amazing skincare recommendations to keep you cool and fresh this summer, and some products that will keep you smelling good all day. So let's begin. Now this skincare tip is my favorite for the summertime. I love doing it, and if you haven't tried it yet, you're gonna love it so much. This is a tall chilled glass of collagen water for your skin in toner pads form. These are not your average toner pads. They are super squishy, bouncy and gel based toner pads. So I apply these collagen pads on my skin in the morning for a quick pick me up, and as all the collagen water is getting absorbed by my skin, within like 15 minutes it turns from transparent to white. So this is the quickest way to get glass skin in the mornings, like within 15 minutes. And this is a toner pad version of the super viral collagen sheet mask. So you don't need to apply it for like 3-4 hours or overnight. Just apply it for 15-20 minutes and your skin will get the same glow. Quick pro tip, keep these in the fridge and your skin will feel so cold and fresh every time you use these. But before moving on to the next, I noticed only 19% of you have subscribed to my channel. So please subscribe and let's hit 100k together. If you find these that bit expensive, you can go for the Hyphen 44% rice water serum pads. These are 100% biodegradable and I love them equally. These are so damn good. My skin feels super hydrated and super glowy after these. And my perfume recommendation for this year is Oso Pistachio by Plum Body Loving. I thought this was going to be another cozy dessert like scent like vanilla caramello, but this surprised me in a good way. This one is less cupcake and more gelato, more ice cream. It opens cool and creamy like a scoop of pistachio ice cream on a hot summer day. It smells so fresh, but once it settles, you can smell the cozy note. It has top notes of pistachio, obviously, hazelnut, cocoa, and a floral twist of peony. So it's soft, playful, delicate, and perfect for this summer heat. And I was surprised how long lasting it was. I applied it in the morning, and by the evening, I can still smell it on me. This has quickly become my go-to perfume, and I love how it smells together with vanilla caramello, and it smells so deliciously unique, yummy, and unforgettable. You can also use my code MANVI15 to get 15% off on your order on Plum website. Next, I would go in with a underarm roll-on that keeps my underarms odor-free all day. This is the Chemist at Play underarm roll-on. I have the aqua fragrance. They also have a no fragrance version, so if your underarms get irritated easily, go for that one. Now it also has 5% lactic acid, so it fades the pigmentation. It is literally so hot right now. I'm sweating and I have to keep my fan off, otherwise there will be disturbance in the audio. But let's keep drinking water, kiddies. I hope you have something to drink with you. Now this is something I'm so excited about. If your eyes get watery and irritated with every sunscreen you use, then this is for you. Beauty of Joseon launched a new sunscreen. I have loved their rice and probiotic sunscreen, and this is Aqua Fresh SPF 50. It has a serum-like consistency, so it is much more lightweight. I also love this applicator, and as you can see, it's dripping on my hand. It's that lightweight. It makes my skin so plump and hydrated without making it heavy, and I don't even feel that I'm wearing any sunscreen on my skin. It's feather light. So this is the Biodance Hydroceranol Real Deep Mask. As I put it on my skin, it feels so cooling and it slowly becomes transparent as your skin soaks in all the effective ingredients like hydroceranol. This gives my skin that moisture glow, because in the summertime, not just my body, my skin also feels thirsty. Feels like like facial icing, but safe, soothing, and non-irritating for the overheated skin. Next is serums for the summer, and this is your post-sun, post-heat rescue ampule. This feels so cool and healing on my skin. It is the lightest serum I've ever used, and it is my most loved serum for the summertime because it has 100% centella extract, which is super healing. It is also known as tiger grass because tigers rub their wounds to heal themselves in the wild. Like, I am so amazed by this fact, and I can actually feel it healing my skin in the real time. It is that good. All the sensitive skin, oily, acne prone skin girlies, this is for you. And especially if you're living somewhere where it's humid all the time, because I literally use it every single day. You can even layer it with your other serums. I layer it with my vitamin C serum. And for my nighttime serum, when your skin is repairing overnight, I actually love to use any serum with probiotics, ferments, peptides that supports the healing. So this is the Put Simply Daily Affirmation Serum with 74% ferments, and this actually reminds me of Estee Lauder ANR Advanced Night Repair Serum. The texture is very similar, you guys, and it feels very nice and cooling on the skin. Very healing. Also has centella in this. This is like a anti-stress serum for your skin. So these two are my picks for the summertime. And now let's talk about the toners and essences for summer. This toner feels like a tall glass of iced tea for your skin. This is Numbuzin #1 Pure Full Calming Herb Toner with 93% herbal extract like Cotonia cordata, licorice root, and Centella asiatica. It is made for summer sweaty days. You might hear some sound and noise of children playing. I think kids are coming back from school. But yeah, this is made for the summertime, you guys. I love this toner, and especially I feel that it actually reduces the appearance of my pores. It smoothens them and it just hydrates my skin. It's very lightweight. So if you're like oily skin type, even combination, you would love this toner. You guys know my love for milky toners. I'm still using milky toner in the summertime. Yes, because when the weather changes, my skin actually starts to flake up. Like, I get a lot of dry flaky skin around my mouth, and only milky toners help me with that. So I always keep milky toners, especially in like springtime when the weather is getting hotter and my skin just starts to peel off. So I love these milky toners for that. This is the I'm From Rice toner, most lightweight milky toner I've ever used, and this is Hyphen Ceramide toner, which is a little bit heavier than the I'm From, but both of these are amazing. And if you're on a budget, go for the Hyphen one. If you get like dry flakes like me, like if you're a combination on dry skin type, these two toners are for you. And summer essences, which are literally for every skin type. This is I'm From Mugwort Essence, which is a summer detox in a bottle because it has 100% mugwort extract. It's like green tea, but much more gentler and calmer version of green tea. That's why this is perfect for the summertime. I do use a lot of lightweight skincare products, but I love to layer them. So I would use like my milky toner, and then I would go in with this. This is the Cosrx 6 Peptide Booster Serum. Very lightweight. That's why I love to layer these products, because I get the benefits of a lot of good ingredients like peptides, and I also don't feel heavy. This is another favorite for the summer. It makes your skin super plump and glowy. I'm still using most of the moisturizers that I use in the summertime, like the Clinique Moisture Surge or the Neutrogena Hydro Boost or the Plum Niacinamide Moisturizer, or even the DO Ceramide Moisturizer, because that's very lightweight. But a new gel-based moisturizer that I added this year for the summertime is the Plum Bulgarian Rose and Hyaluronic Acid Dew It Light Moisturizer. Now, this one has prebiotics for barrier strengthening, natural sugars and squalene, and of course hyaluronic acid, so it leaves a dewy finish on the skin. It has a gel cream hybrid texture, so it's like pudding, and it melts into my skin, leaving it plump plump and dewy, but it does contain mild fragrance, like it smells fresh. So keep that in mind. If your skin gets irritated because of the fragrance, you can skip on this and you can go for their niacinamide moisturizer. I love masking, especially in the summertime, so that's why I have some summer mask for you. I'm from Rice Mask, is so good, especially for brightening your skin. So what I do, I will go to my shower, and while I'm taking care of my body, I will apply this rice mask and leave it for 10 minutes. It's very gentle, mild, and super brightening on the skin. And then Super Volcanic Clay Mask by Innisfree. For face washes, again, I'm using so many face washes, right? But if you're looking for summer cleansers, I got you. So number one is the Simple Refreshing Gel Face Wash. It's amazing. It's for all skin types, but if you're like a dry skin type, I would highly recommend the CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser. Even the CeraVe Foaming Face Wash is amazing for oily, acne-prone skin type. I'm not mentioning higher end face washes because you don't really need to spend a lot in your face wash. But if you want to know what I'm using right now, like the high-end face washes, I would leave them in my description box. The lightest cleansing oil for the stickiest summer nights, Anua Heartleaf Cleansing Oil. I cannot stop raving about it because it is the lightest cleansing oil I've ever used, and the glow it leaves on my skin every time I use it. This is a game changer. It also removes the blackheads and whiteheads. So this cleansing oil is chef's kiss and it is perfect for this summer. And मेरे पेट से आवाज आ रही है. I think I'm hungry. It's almost lunchtime. So I think I'm gonna end this video here, and I hope you enjoyed and you're ready for the summer. Whenever I make these kind of videos, I always feel like big sister to get you ready for the new season. Like, beta, ठंडी आ रही है, sweater पहन लेना. So yeah, these are my big sister skincare and smelling good recommendations for you for the summer of 2025. Okay, my sweet summer children, I will see you in my next video. Bye.